Insurers Association of Zambia. Join me for this program where we spoke to Mr. Tino Chaza from SES. Enjoy the program. It's good to be here with you on this program today.
Welcome.
Welcome.
For having me.
Right. So let's begin by looking at SES. Tell us a bit about SES.
So SES is a health and life insurance company that's been operating in Zambia for 24 years now. We started as a medical emergency services company and have evolved throughout our time span to extend into in the insurance sector. So we provide comprehensive regional and worldwide health insurance, and dollar and pound rated life insurance policies.
Perhaps just to expand on that a bit, what distinguishes SES from other providers of such services?
So the first thing I would say is that SES is one of the very few insurers in actually the world that has its own medical services component that is built onto the insurance business as a support function. And what that means is that we run a series of primary care clinics as well as emergency services assets, being your ambulances, paramedics, and so on and so forth, with the idea being that that golden hour where something goes catastrophically wrong is the time in which the insurer really needs to act and attend to the member and obviously get them to the most appropriate facility that they can to take care of whatever the condition is. In the time from our founding and through the evolution of our business, we found that as the insurer making the decision, that was the best path for us to go through. And of course, the same service is also open to the public as well. So it's not only exclusively for SES members, even members of the public have access to those services.
Okay, fantastic. So let's move on and ask, why do you think so many people neglect getting health insurance?
It's a very good question, Kamole. I believe that many people neglect getting medical insurance because people don't see the risk within life the way that the insurers do. So to expand on that, someone might think to themselves, I'm probably not going to get sick this year, so why would I pay premiums to an insurer to cover my non-illness? But that's the wrong attitude or the wrong approach. Insurance really is for the unforeseen big ticket items, and what I mean to say there is, for example, oncology care for cancer. You can expect to spend upwards of 500,000 kwacha every year in just chemotherapy, for example. So really, when you buy an insurance policy, you're looking at the big ticket items and not the day-to-day, I have a headache, or my tooth hurts and I need to go, or not to the doctor. So really, it's about assessing your own personal and understanding your own personal risk factors and insuring against those.
Okay, right. Not quite true. It's those big things which really can leave someone destitute, really.
Absolutely.
Selling all their property.
Exactly, or having to tap out friends and family for financial assistance because at the end of the day there is no fallback.
Right.
Yes.
Right. So, to wrap up, what would you tell someone who's hesitating to get insurance cover? They're procrastinating.
So, again, very good question. I work in the sales environment at SES, and we encounter a number of people who are hesitating on making a purchase for an insurance policy. And my advice in general for members of the public is that you should really understand what it is that you are trying to achieve in the course of a year. And what I mean by that is what is your financial plan, okay? once you have an idea of what your financial annual life plan, you have to understand there's downside and there's upside to both. On the journey. Insurance covers the downside so that you can focus on those things that will help you grow. And to elaborate on the downside, I mean insurance covers you for loss from health incidents, for loss of death, from fire, theft, whatever the case is. And knowing that you have that barrier, you can focus on your career, your business, your studies, whatever it is that is helping you grow your asset base.
Right. No, Mr. Tino Chaza, thank you for coming on the program.
Thank you for having me.
Right.